Hey everyone. So last week we messed with a black and white pixelation widget. So last week, each pixel was either a 0, which colored it black, or a 1. So for example, here is the pixelation widget. I'm going to delete all of this stuff out. And then I'm going to make this, say, 2 units, 2 squares wide and 2 squares tall. And then so each pixel was either black, black, there you go, a 0, or a 1, which was white. That's all we had. This week, we're going to use a color pixelation widget. We'll do a couple different things with it. We're going to start out, instead of each pixel being either a 0 or a 1, having only one bit that kind of described it or colored it. Now we're going to use 3 bits. So we'll either use all zeros, all ones, or a combinations of zeros and ones. And with 3 bits, 2 to the third power is 8. There are 8 distinct values that we can create with 3 bits. So that means there are 8 distinct color choices that we could have for each pixel. So let me show you how this works. So when we are coloring our pixels, I am going to, again, I'm going to make this 8 units across. So that first chunk of information, that first byte gives me the width. And this one gives me the height, which is 2. And this one tells me how many bits per pixel that I will use to define the colors. So for example, here is the first pixel. I will go 0, 0, 0. That pixel is all black. Now I will count up by 1, 0, 0, 1. That pixel is all blue. The first pixel is the amount of red, so this is how much red. There is no red. This is how much green. There is no green, and this is how much blue. It is all blue. Let's add 1 to this. That's 2, so that would be 0, 1, 0. This is all green. Let's do one more. Let's count up to 3, 0, 1, 1. So this pixel has an equal mixture of green and blue. And by green, it's this bright color green. And by blue, it is this kind of dark, rich color of blue. Now let's add 1 to 3. That would make 4. So that would be 1, 0, 0. So this pixel is all red and no green, no blue. And let's add 1 to that. So we'll go 1, 0, 1. That's 5. And so this is that purplish or cyan color that has equal parts red and equal parts blue. Let's do another one. Oh, did not mean to do that. 1, 1, 0. That is yellow. This is equal part red and equal part green, that kind of a bright color green and that kind of a rich color of red. And the last one is going to be 7. So 1, 2, and 3, that's 7, and that's all white. All ones is all white. So this is how we mix the colors together. The first pixel is the amount of red, the second pixel is the amount of green, and the last pixel is the amount of blue. Again, the metadata at the top, those pixels is the width. These pixels represent the height. And these pixels tell us that there are 3 pixels, 3 bits per pixel that will help us describe the color. Total, there are 3 times 8 or 24. There are 24 bits total, 24 bits of data in this image.